everyone. So, right now, I have this gun. We're going to shoot it and see how far it goes. That goes far.
I don't know if the camera even saw it, Josh.
Alright, we're going to do this one more time. We see how far that goes. That's a long shot. Alright, let's go. Let's go get the bullet. Here.
It's not the one of the cameraman, Josh.
What?
It's not the one of the cameraman, Josh.
Alright. So, we're going to walk back up to the gun. By the way, as we walk up, please hope you like and subscribe. Don't subscribe if you really don't want to. I'm serious because most YouTubers say that and lose subscribers. So, alright. So first I'm gonna reload the bullets in, and what now we're gonna do is we're gonna load this up and do it one more time. It might be a short video, but we don't know. We haven't really done it. So we shot up the first time. Now we're gonna shoot this way. We're not shooting up there anymore. So we're gonna shoot there. See which one goes longer. 1 or 2. 1, definitely 1. So 1 or 2. 1, definitely 1. Again. 1, 2.
I did.
So 2, 1, alright, we're gonna go.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 bullets were fired.
And
Headed that way.
no, there was 6
That way.
bullets were fired.
Yep, 4 bullets were fired this way. 4 bullets were fired. Well, 2 bullets were fired upwards.
Well, hope everyone had a nice day, and hope you enjoyed. Please check out my videos over. It's Leroy Jenkins with a Charmander picture. I hope you all enjoy, and please like and subscribe, and hope you see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.